Factory floors that crack, stain, or slow you down cost you time, money, and profits. I'm Tom, president at Customcrete. We create manufacturing facility floors that perform under the pressure of heavy machinery, harsh chemicals, and constant traffic. Manufacturing environments face serious wear. Forklift traffic, carts, assembly lines, and equipment all take a toll. To keep your facility running without compromise, your floor must be able to resist abrasion, oils, grease, chemicals, impact, and never let you down. If your concrete isn't built for industrial use, it could crack, become uneven, and create trip hazards or damage equipment wheels. Spills can sink in, stain, or make areas unsafe, and constant patching and cleanup lead to costly downtime. We install flooring systems designed for the real world. They're built tough to handle forklifts, carts, and heavy machinery without cracking or delaminating. They're resistant to oils, grease, and harsh chemicals such as hydraulic fluids and solvents, which keeps your floor clean and fully operational. They're seamless and low maintenance, reducing downtime and keeping production running at full speed. Our installations are precision timed to your schedule, minimizing shutdowns. We offer slip-resistant textured finishes for safety in wet zones, loading docks, and chemical areas. Our integrated line striping and color zoning help organize your facility and support safety compliance. One of the most common questions we hear is, can you install without shutting everything down? The answer is yes. Our teams work with phased projects or off-hour schedules so your production can keep moving without major disruption. Another question is, do you offer built-in safety markings? Absolutely. We integrate line striping and color zone layouts directly into the floor to improve efficiency and keep your facility OSHA compliant. When your floor can't keep up, your whole operation suffers. We deliver floors that strengthen production, protect your team, and stand the test of time. Ready for your facility to run smoother, safer, and stronger? Click Request a Quote now, and one of our concrete flooring specialists will assess your site and deliver a tailored solution.